Okay, there's a kitten over there.
Hopefully two.
Hopefully two. We caught one already, and it's in that container. Chaclain built a fortress. We've got our gloves. Ready to go.
Alright, so I'm going to be making sure they don't get out over here. Over that side. Wait.
You think they'll just move? Oh, it's so cute! We have kittens! That was easy.
Hopefully there's one more.
Oh, okay.
Here, open up the thing. There's your friend.
Look at that. You have a friend. He's not here. Gotta catch them all.
Two down, one to go.
Alright. We can do this.
And I think the only real way to do it is to block off the rest of this and then poke it with a stick. And it's going to run out the other side. Do you have time to help me do this? The problem is that we have these steps, which are hollow underneath, right? And I know the kitten's in there because I just saw it, but we have this dumpster blocking it. So what I'm trying to do is make it so the kitten can't run under the dumpster, and I'm going to try to hook it with a stick until it runs out to Sarah on the other side. That's my theory.
We've got a nice little fortress set up. Very trustworthy fortress. So hopefully it's gonna come right through there. And you will get to see the glorious footage. Alright. Or my phone will fall. So that would be sad. There's the stick. I'm going to poke the kitten from under these stairs.
Here it goes. Going your way.
Oh, I see him.
You can't quite get through.
Yeah, I can see this.
Here it comes.
Oh, wait. Aha! We got him! There he is. He's okay.
Let me see him.
It's a lot louder than it.
Oh, he's got like little gray on his ears.
Yeah. He's like expletive.
Screw you guys.
Expletive.
Going to the clinic. They're gonna get their tests. They're gonna get their shots. They're gonna find homes.
Yay.